This video is brought to you by Sporlan, quality, integrity, tradition, and NAVAC, empowering you to work smarter.
What's going on, everybody, and a very happy 2019 New Year to all of you. It's been a few days since I've been on here with all the holiday chaos and preparing for the AHR Expo in Atlanta next week. In addition to a week-long flu that ran through the whole family, had to take a hiatus for about 10-12 days. But I'm back now, I'm ready, I'm re-energized, and I am ready to take 2019 by the horns. Let's kick it off with a kick-ass giveaway. Hello again and welcome to the AK HVAC YouTube channel, where I try to bring you guys the most entertaining, educational, and relevant HVAC subject matter to the masses. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking that bell icon so you get notifications when new content drops. If you're into Instagram, go ahead and follow me at AK HVAC there as well. I try to post photos and other quick stories and micro content of me throughout my day, things that don't make it to YouTube. Now on to the giveaway. I've been given a great opportunity from Sporlan to give to you, the viewers, a fully loaded Zoomlock tool. Not this one, that's mine, but that one. You'll get the full hard carrying case with the Zoomlock tool itself, battery and charger, and jaws ranging from 3/8 to 1.125". All the necessary deburring, beveling, sanding tools will be included in the case, as well as all your marking gauges to ensure you have a proper crimp after you're done. Speaking of Sporlan, for those of you that are having the opportunity to attend the AHR Expo next week in Atlanta, make sure to stop by the Sporlan booth. I'll be there on Monday from 1 to 4 p.m. Please come shake my hand. I'd love to meet all of you and any of you that are attending the conference and have taken the time to ever watch any of my videos. A decent amount of the inquiries, feedback, and opinions I've seen from people on social media about the Zoomlock have ranged from skepticism to sometimes a little bit of uncertainty with the price range of the tool and concern about leaks down the road. Now, I've already shared my personal stories with the tool, particularly a job I completed almost 3 years ago in the last video I did on the Zoomlock tool when I visited the tour bus. But for those of you who'd still like a little bit more certainty on exactly how to use the tool, how it should be applied, and how to ensure a leak-free seal and crimp, Zoomlock has gone ahead and put together a quick training course and subsequent certification that leaves absolutely no question as to whether the crimp is leaking because of operator error versus a flawed tool. I'd invite any of you that are curious to visit www.zoomlocktraining.com and you'll be taken to a registration page. Yes, registering will probably leave you open to receiving informative emails and communications from Parker Sporlan. Of course, you can unsubscribe from that if you prefer to not have that, but you need to register first, and then it's followed by about a 4 or 5 minute video, an instructional video that takes you step by step through every single part of the process to ensure the highest quality crimp connection. After you watch the video, you can take a 12-question multiple choice test to demonstrate your competence and your understanding and comprehension of the video you just viewed. After getting a passing grade, you'll receive a certificate much like this, which you can print out for yourself or not. Anyways, it's part of what Parker Sporlan and Zoomlock are trying to do to address any confusion in the field and over the process that it actually takes to make a proper crimp. I'll go ahead and I'll link below to the training in the description of this video should you desire to take it. Now back to the giveaway. The giveaway will run through the remainder of January 2019, so you've got a couple weeks to enter to this contest. I'll leave the video up that entire time. The entry rules are simple. Make sure you're subscribed to the AK HVAC YouTube channel. I appreciate that. It helps me out and it makes you cooler. Also, please subscribe to the Sporlan Video YouTube channel as well. I will link to that below in the description of this video, but it'll also pop up in an icon at the end of this video. You can click on it, it'll take you directly to the channel. Click that subscribe button as well. And to cement your entry into the drawing for this Zoomlock tool, comment below on this video, Zoom 2019. I was gonna make it Zoom motherfucker, but I decided I really enjoy being sponsored by the company, and I don't think that'll help that. I don't think that will help me stay on that road. So that's it. 2 subscriptions, 1 comment. Sporlan Video, AK HVAC, and the comment below, Zoom 2019. And at the end of the month, we'll have a drawing and one lucky winner will get the new Zoomlock tool. I wish you all a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2019. I appreciate everything you guys have done in the last year in supporting this channel. We're right around the corner from 20,000 subscribers. Just 11 months ago, we were at somewhere between 12 and 1,600. I've had a hell of a time making these videos, and growing this channel with you. So I'm very grateful and I'm very excited to have the opportunity to give something back to you all as well. So a huge thank you to you, the viewers, and Sporlan as well. Stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you on the next